Take a deep breath and allow yourself to settle into this peaceful moment. These positive affirmations are here to gently support your mind, your heart, and your spirit. As you listen, let every word remind you that you are worthy, you are loved, you are safe, and you are capable of receiving good things in your life. You do not need to force anything right now. Just relax, listen with an open heart, and allow these affirmations to slowly create a positive shift within you. For the best results, listen to this every day for 21 days, and let each day bring you closer to peace, confidence, love, and a stronger connection with the beautiful energy already inside you. I am gently opening my heart to peace, love, and positive energy. I am allowing every breath to bring calmness into my body and softness into my mind. I am not here to fight with my thoughts or judge where I am in life. I am here to love myself more deeply, to speak to myself with kindness, and to remember that I am growing in beautiful ways. I am safe at this moment. I am supported by life. I am becoming more aware of the quiet strength that has always lived within me. I am worthy of love, kindness, respect, and happiness. I do not need to prove my worth to anyone, because my worth is already within me. I am enough as I am, and I am also open to becoming more of who I am meant to be. I release the need to be perfect, and I allow myself to be human, gentle, and real. I am learning to accept myself with compassion. I am learning to celebrate small steps, quiet progress, and every little sign that I am healing. I am choosing thoughts that bring comfort to my heart. I am choosing words that lift my spirit and make me feel safe inside. Every time I say I am planting a loving seed in my mind. I am strong. I am peaceful. I am loved. I am guided. I am capable. I am becoming more confident with every breath I take. I trust that positive words are slowly creating a new feeling within me. And I allow this feeling to grow naturally, softly, and beautifully. I am releasing old fears that no longer belong in my heart. I am letting go of heavy thoughts that make me doubt myself. I am no longer carrying every worry as if it is mine to hold forever. I give myself permission to rest. I give myself permission to breathe. I give myself permission to believe that life can become lighter, calmer, and kinder. I am not stuck in my past. I am moving forward with love, patience, and trust. I am grateful for this moment of stillness. I am grateful for my breath, my heart, my body, and my journey. Even when life has felt uncertain, I have continued to move forward. Even when I did not know what was next, something within me kept going. I honor that strength today. I honor the part of me that never gave up. I honor the quiet courage inside me that continues to choose hope. Even after difficult days, I am allowing good things to enter my life. I am open to peace, healing love, joy, and beautiful new beginnings. I do not need to chase what is meant for me with fear or pressure. I can relax and trust that life is bringing me what supports my highest good. I am ready to receive blessings in simple ways, gentle ways, and unexpected ways. I welcome more calmness into my mind, more softness into my heart, and more light into my life. I am becoming a safe place for myself. I speak to myself with love. I listen to my feelings with patience. I no longer ignore the parts of me that need care. I am learning to comfort myself instead of criticizing myself. I am learning to choose peace instead of pressure. I am learning that healing does not have to be rushed. I can grow slowly. I can begin again. I can take one breath, one thought, and one gentle step at a time. I am filled with positive energy from within. I am not waiting for the outside world to tell me I am enough. I am remembering it from the inside. I am powerful in a calm way. I am confident in a peaceful way. I am beautiful in a natural way. I am becoming more connected to my own light. I allow this light to guide my thoughts, my choices, my words, and my actions. I trust myself more today than I did before. I am surrounded by love, even when I cannot see it clearly. I am supported by unseen blessings, gentle guidance, and the quiet wisdom of life. I am never alone on this journey. There is always a loving energy guiding me back to peace, back to trust, and back to myself. I allow my heart to feel safe enough to receive this love. I allow my mind to become calm enough to believe in new possibilities. I allow my spirit to rise again. I am ready for a beautiful shift within me. I am ready to feel lighter, stronger, and more peaceful. I am ready to release the old story that made me feel small. I now choose a new story filled with love, faith, courage, and self-belief. I am not behind. I am not broken. I am not forgotten. I am exactly where I need to be for my next beautiful step. I trust my journey. I trust my growth. And I trust the loving power within me. I am choosing to believe in the good that is growing within me. I am not allowing one difficult moment to define my whole life. I am more than my worries, more than my fears, and more than the doubts that sometimes pass through my mind. I am a soul full of strength, softness, and light. I am learning to see myself with loving eyes. I am learning to trust that every peaceful thought I repeat is helping me create a more beautiful inner world. I am calm in my body, calm in my breath, and calm in my heart. I allow peace to move through me slowly and gently. I do not need to rush this moment. I do not need to fix everything all at once. I am allowed to simply be here, breathing, listening, and receiving. With every word I hear, I am becoming more relaxed, more grounded, and more connected to the peaceful energy that lives inside me. I am proud of myself for showing up today. I am proud of myself for choosing words that heal instead of words that hurt. I am proud of myself for making space for love, peace, and positive change. Even if my progress feels small, it still matters. Every gentle step is a step forward. Every kind thought is a blessing to my mind. Every loving affirmation is helping me become more aware of my own worth, power, and beauty. I am releasing the need to compare my life to anyone else's life. My path is sacred, personal, and meaningful. I do not need to move at the same speed as others. I do not need to have everything figured out today. I am allowed to grow in my own timing. I am allowed to bloom in my own way. I trust the rhythm of my life, and I honor the quiet progress that is happening within me every single day. I am becoming more confident in who I am. I am beginning to trust my voice, my choices, and my inner wisdom. I do not need to shrink myself to make others comfortable. I do not need to hide my light. I am allowed to be seen. I am allowed to be heard. I am allowed to take up space with love, grace, and confidence. I am worthy of being respected, valued, and appreciated just as I am. I am allowing my heart to soften. I release the pain that has been sitting heavily inside me. I release the old words that made me feel unworthy. I release the memories that no longer need to control my present moment. I choose to hold myself with kindness. I choose to remind myself that I deserve peace now. I choose to let love be stronger than fear. I choose to let healing happen gently, one breath at a time. I am open to receiving beautiful blessings in my life. I am open to receiving kindness from others, support from life, and peace from within. I am open to receiving opportunities that feel aligned with my heart. I am open to receiving love that feels safe, honest, and gentle. I am open to receiving joy in simple moments. I trust that I do not have to force what is meant for me. I can relax, breathe, and allow good energy to meet me where I am. I am grateful for the person I am becoming. I am grateful for the lessons that made me wiser, the challenges that made me stronger, and the quiet moments that helped me understand myself more deeply. I am grateful that I am still here, still trying, still healing, and still believing in something better. My life is not without meaning. My journey is not without purpose. I am growing into a version of myself that feels more peaceful, more loving, and more free. I am safe to dream again. I am safe to believe that better days are coming. I am safe to imagine a life filled with peace, love, abundance, happiness, and inner confidence. I no longer close my heart because of what did not work before. I allow myself to hope again. I allow myself to trust again. I allow myself to welcome new beginnings with an open heart and a calm mind. I am a powerful creator of my inner world. The words I speak to myself matter, and today I choose words filled with love. I am peaceful. I am worthy. I am strong. I am loved. I am guided. I am becoming more positive, more patient, and more connected to my true self. I trust that these affirmations are reaching the deepest part of me, planting seeds of hope, confidence, and healing that will continue to grow. I am welcoming more love into the way I think, the way I speak, and the way I see myself. I am no longer choosing harsh words for a heart that needs gentleness. I am learning to be patient with my own emotions, patient with my own healing, and patient with the life that is unfolding for me. I am not here to punish myself for the past. I am here to grow, to forgive, to breathe, and to become more peaceful with each new moment. I am allowing my mind to become a garden of positive thoughts. I gently remove the thoughts that make me feel small, and I plant new thoughts that help me feel safe, worthy, and strong. I am filling my inner world with words of kindness, words of hope, and words of deep self-belief. I am becoming more aware of the energy I give to myself, and today I choose energy that supports me, uplifts me, and reminds me that I am deeply deserving of a beautiful life. I am connected to the calm wisdom within me. Even when the outside world feels loud, I can return to the quiet place inside my heart. I can breathe, pause, and remember that I do not have to react to everything. I can choose peace. I can choose softness. I can choose trust. I am learning to move through life with a steady heart and a peaceful mind, knowing that I am guided, protected, and lovingly supported in every season. I am becoming more open to joy in simple and gentle ways. I allow myself to smile without needing a reason. I allow myself to enjoy small moments of beauty, comfort, and peace. I allow light to enter my life through little blessings, kind words, quiet mornings, soft breaths, and moments of gratitude. I do not need to wait for everything to be perfect before I feel happy. I am allowed to receive happiness now, exactly where I am. I am trusting the positive changes taking place within me. I may not see everything shifting at once, but I know something beautiful is happening inside my mind and heart. Every affirmation is helping me return to love. Every peaceful thought is helping me feel more grounded. Every moment of listening is bringing me closer to the person I am meant to be. I am growing with grace, healing with patience, and becoming more aligned with peace, confidence, and love. As these affirmations come to a close, take one more deep and gentle breath. Allow every word you have heard to settle softly into your heart. You do not need to rush back into the world right away. Let this peaceful energy stay with you. Let it remind you that you are safe, you are worthy, you are loved, and you are enough. Everything you need to become more peaceful, more confident, and more positive is already growing within you. I am grateful for this moment of healing. I am grateful for the love I am learning to give myself. I am grateful for the peace that is returning to my heart. I trust the positive changes happening inside me, even if they are quiet and gentle. I am becoming stronger in my thoughts, softer in my heart, and more open to the beautiful blessings life is bringing my way. I carry this calm energy with me, and I allow it to guide me through the rest of my day or night. Before you go, please take a moment to like this video if these affirmations brought peace to your heart. Share it with someone who may need comfort, healing, or positive words today. Comment below with "I am ready to receive" so you can affirm this beautiful energy into your life. And if you want more healing and empowering affirmations, please subscribe to this channel and become part of this peaceful space. Thank you for being here, beautiful soul. May your heart feel lighter, your mind feel calmer, and your life continue to open to love, peace, and beautiful new beginnings.